The truck will have an easier time than Al.
You're good, you're good. Yep.
Al on the other hand.
Yeah.
Let's throw him down a rope or something?
Now, what's that smell? Is that your gears burning up?
No, I don't think it's gears. It's probably just my new brakes.
Grease, your brakes, yeah.
Let me just go check on it.